Hey guys, and welcome to another random video. Today I'll be doing a taste test. Today I'll be tasting the dairy milk Lou crackers chocolate combination. I'd already done the dairy milk Ritz crackers combination, and you can find the video somewhere on my channel or here on the screen if I remember to annotate the screen. Hopefully I'll remember, hopefully. So, this is this, and shall I read what's inside it? Milk chocolate 69% with biscuits. Ingredients: milk, sugar, wheat flour, cocoa butter, vegetable fats, palm, shea, cocoa mass, butter, dried skim milk, E-numbers, soya lecithin, glucose syrup, dried whey from milk, salt, sweetened condensed milk, milk fat, raising agents, more E-numbers, flavourings, malt extracts, all that good stuff. I'll try and keep still if you want to read it. Okay, 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Ooh, my hair's in my face. The nutritional value. Right there. I can't see it. I'm sorry. It's the glare and it's all shiny. I'll try my best to show you. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, let's get into the packet, shall we? It opens just like that. And there is the first little packet. Just like the Ritz packaging, but blue, and it has the Lou on it. Certainly a different, lighter cracker than the Ritz. But I think it's probably going to be the same combination. But it's my first time trying it and it's going to be new. So, let's cleanse my palate. Okay, let's open it. You can open it right here, rip it in half right there, and then pull. Just like that. And you can't see because I keep falling behind the camera. Just like that. Just rip the middle in between apart. And here you have it. Chocolate. With the Lou biscuits in. They definitely look like the Ritz chocolate crackers. I don't have a comparison at the minute, but if you check out my previous dairy milk Ritz taste test, then you'll see. Yeah, they look similar, but different. So let's snap it. Oh, that snapped off quite easily. A little bit. So let's give it a sniff. Again, you definitely get the pure dairy milk first. There's a faint scent of a sweet cracker, but mostly the dairy milk does overpower the treat itself, and that's what it's designed to do. Not sure what else I'm going to tell you, but there it is. The overpowering of the chocolate with a light scent of a sweet biscuit. Let's give it a taste. Now that is different. That is a different taste from the Ritz. With the Ritz, you definitely had a mild, salty taste to it. But with this, it's like a milk biscuit. It has a certain milky effect to it. Yeah. Again, with the smell relating to the taste, the dairy milk does overpower the cracker itself, because there's more. And you just saw me having a small bit. It just fell off that little bit right there. Yeah, there's so much dairy milk. It does overpower the little biscuit. It's actually quite nice. As I say, I was a bit concerned about these new treats. But after adventuring for them, with them, whatever, I came to love them, and they're really, really nice treats. I've got a hair stuck in my mouth. What else can I say? I would definitely recommend getting these biscuits. Definitely recommend it. Again, don't be too disheartened about the cracker. Again, there was only a little bit, and there's just a heap of chocolate. It's not going to overpower anything. It's just a little hidden extra, just like dairy milk and hazelnut, dairy milk and nuts, dairy milk with a hint of caramel. It's just the same effect, but crackers and flatter. Really? There's a whole heap of dairy milk, as per usual with any other dairy milk product. But yeah, I totally recommend this. For both. I was gonna say that's a big slice. Yeah, I like it a lot. Did I say I would recommend it? Yes, I think I did. But yeah, I do totally recommend it. Yeah, not sure what else I can say about it. Yeah. So that's that then. We've got one more bit left if you want to study it. Yeah, it's my down. Oh, stay there. That's my little dairy milk glue taste test, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope these videos were beneficial, and hopefully I helped you to go out and try it, and also tell me, what do you think about these products? Would you buy dairy milk with some savoury treats in it? I was trying to find another word for it, I can't remember. I don't know any other word. So yeah, that's that. What else can I say? Yeah, hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.